BBC, the BBC expected the high risk or high probability in the future disappear the job. So the first tier is the telephone salesperson, and second one is typist or related keyboard worker, and legal secretaries. And other thing is called the white collar worker. So many white collar workers will be disappeared in the future. And earlier this year, the WEF, Davos Forum, in the Davos Forum, many experts said many jobs will be disappeared by AI because the AI replace many work from human. So, and in this month, the November 20, in the China, some researcher team make Dr. robot called Xiaowei. This robot recently cleared the China's national exam and qualified as a doctor. So Xiaowei is the first AI doctor in the world. And Xiaowei got 465 points for total 600 points. But in the earlier of this AI got 10 points or 10 points, but research team studies a lot of related field knowledge. Then the Xiaowei passed the particular exam. And currently the Xiaowei cannot surgery the human, but he or she that AI robot help and assist the doctor for.
It's a medical doctor.
Yeah, just medical.
Doctor.
So.
Not PhD.
Yeah. Just pass the exam. So today, first topic is what kind of job can AI robot replace in the future? For example, engineering, art, and lawyers, and so on. And how do we prepare to win a job place with AI robots? Maybe many jobs really disappear, but a new jobs really appear. For example, the PICS AI robot or control database centers or other things. How about?
With the jobs we have today, I don't think we can win the job race, because the technology we develop today, one of the major purposes of the technology we develop today is to replace human work with machines and artificial intelligence. So I guess it's impossible. I mean, throughout the first, second, and third industrial revolution, we've seen this repeated through history. So, like in the early 1900s, a lot of 40% of the population worked in agriculture, but today it's only like 4%, because there's machines that can replace them. So I guess the jobs today will be replaced by AI sooner or later, but I guess there will be new jobs that will be created because of that.
I read some articles by AI, billion, about 7 billion jobs will disappear, and 2 million jobs will appear, new jobs. So that gap is 5 billion. So that means 5 billion workers lose their job. So, and maybe
population is decreasing.
Even worse.
I think there may be a possibility that jobs may increase. For example, we will be needing some workers or some engineers on to work to maintain the AI robots, because they may require maintenance, or but if AI can maintain themselves, then we will be out of jobs.
Maybe this is due also to the fact that basically robots are still considered not as human. So for example, they can replace humans because it's more cheaper for a company to have a robot than a human, because you don't have to pay the robot. So I think Bill Gates, I guess, I'm not sure, he said like to avoid this losing of job, maybe we should like taxing the robots in a certain way. I don't know exactly how, in order to, still don't have this. So I mean, it hasn't to be too convenient to have a robot rather than a human in maybe certain sectors, because otherwise there's no job for humans.
But then what would be the point of developing the technology if we aren't going to use it?
Yeah, the point is, I'm in favor of developing of technology, but the point is, you need a job. Or we just start doing, I don't know, everybody working on AI, but I don't think we are all able to do that. Or I don't know, don't do anything.
Actually, I don't think that AI can replace all this like responsible jobs, or where you have to make choices. Like for the doctor, for example, he isn't a doctor, is helping doctors and be more efficient, quicker and more accurate. But still the final decision is made by a real doctor.
up to now.
Yeah, but I think it's going to be, I'm not sure. Well,
But
yeah.
I don't know if you know how doctors study, but their studying method is really like an algorithm. So they have, for example, they study like if it's this symptom, they see the possibilities are this, and then they have this symptom as well, then it concentrates to this one. So I don't know, maybe it can be replaced, but I agree with you, because in the end, someone needs to be responsible for the outcome.
It's not about knowledge, it's more about responsibilities.
And also trust that we will not be able to trust AI.
Not trust.
But the thing is,
Yeah.
with like driverless cars, like 10 years ago, we would have never trusted a robot to drive a car, but these days people just go on driverless cars. That might change in the future.
And related to this topic, the second topic is, if the AI robot replace most of job in our life, so how will people change their life? For example, I buy AI robot or AI robots. For me, the AI robot go to work, get money, and I play go to trip or other life like this, or other things. Some if there is no money, many people there didn't hire some experts said artificial work is safe up to now, but in the future, the AI also create advertisement and pictures or designs or other things. So they also dangerous. They feel also dangerous. Some experts said. How about it?
I think the research field remains, the jobs in the research field remain secure, because for AI needs an algorithm, and it works on some predefined knowledge. But to find something new on the basis of your intuition, it is difficult for AI.
But by the time when the AI replaces most of the job, research field will not be secure. Also,
Research field is basically the previous research, the bottom up, and from this research, and then some guys make new method or algorithm. So that is also dangerous. Me and yours, all of people are dangerous.
But my point was that AI cannot devise a new algorithm, I guess, or the use of a new algorithm in some field. For now, I'm not sure. Yeah.
I don't know, because when you do some research, you have also need to do, like, you cannot do some make a new algorithm without no knowledge, and AI have a lot of knowledge, and if we're able to make AI, we can see, like, we can have knowledge in different disciplines, then they'll be able to, I think they'll be able to do research.
and also we can think that at least we may manage robot or AI something, but AI can replace that job, and also the manager and manager of manager, something like that. So eventually, maybe just one person is.
Maybe that person
Yeah, that can be replaced by aliens, I think.
I read some rumor. In the future, to build a building, we need one people or one person and one dog. The dog.
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 Yeah, dog. The dog. Role of dog is other people didn't go to the build site, and people is feed a dog. The building is the all of robot and work in the future.
But also, robot can feed the dog.
But robots can also secure them.
Yeah.
We just feed oil to robots.
What if they're solar powered?